we're going to learn how to fix a Rubik's Cube. Okay. First, this side you got, which side is which? Get the middle piece, and if it's white, that means that side is white. First, get the side that has most of the pieces. Okay. This blue side has most of the pieces, like this. Okay, now get all the edge pieces. The edge pieces are these. This is the middle piece. Now this way is facing down, so if I want it here, I'll put it down like here, like that. Then take this down, and like that. Don't put any corners yet, just edge pieces. Corner pieces are these pieces, okay? You do that until you get a cross. And the cross is going to be like this. Now worry about the corner pieces. Okay. Okay. Now this is how you know where to put which. Okay. This is white. Before you do all that, watch, white to white, orange to orange, yellow to yellow, and red to red. All of these are magical. So now I can do the corner pieces. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow. Where's blue side? Where's red side? Red is here because it's red over here and red over here. Now yellow side over here. So that blue, red, yellow. So, where's that? Blue, red, white should go here. Here. Should go here. Blue, red, yellow goes here. Blue, red, white goes here. So, this is what the formula's for. This is DI, this is RI, and this is D. Okay? I think I messed up on the formulas. Like this. R is like this. R is like this. R is like this. Okay, DI is like this. D is like this. Okay. Then L is like this. LI is like this. Okay. Now let's put. Okay. So the formula to get this tree here is. Which way is DI again? Oh yeah. Okay. DI R D R I. Okay. Now got this blue piece over here. Okay. Now it's facing to the bottom. So put it where it needs to go. It needs to go here. So see? It's perfectly wet. Blue, white, orange. Blue, white, orange. Goes over here. Get that blue, white, orange. Okay. Now the formula for that, you keep it over here. Then do DI. Keep it over here. Like if it's like this, do D, then LI. Which way is DI?
Other way.
Like this? You mean like which way? Like this? Papa, which way is DI?
Yeah, say it.
DI, then L. Okay. Now got the last piece, it'll go here. The formulas for that, if it's over here, put it over here. Then do DI, RI, DR. But one corner got wrong, so take the wrong corner out. This corner should have went here. Okay. Then do that. Then this should have went here. So put it over here. And do it like that. Then put the soft side in the bottom. Like this. Then if this side is green like this, find an edge piece that isn't green. This is not an edge piece that is green. So orange right. Match it up with orange. Okay. Then the formula for to take this guy over here is like this. U is like this, and U is like that. And FI is like this, and F is like this, FI is like this. Okay. This is the formula to take this guy over here. UI, RI, U, R. U, F, U, what's this way again?
Okay.
No, this way.
Oh, FI.
FI. Then you should see this guy went here. Now, red, white. Match it up with red. Like this. Then red, white, just go here. That's the formula for this. U, R-I, U-I, R. U-I, and yeah, U-I, F-I, U, F. Yellow, orange has to come here. So U, add, U-I, L-I, U, F, U, F-I. Okay. Now, we're done with the second layer. Now we're going to do the third layer. If you got a dot like this, if you got a dot, here's the formula. F, U, R, U, I, R, I, F, I. But if you got a like this, use this formula. U, R, then U, I, R, I, U, R, like that. Not R, then R, I, F, I. Okay, now we got this cross. But if you have this L type of shape, it's same as the dot formula. Okay, now match all these up. Red, white, orange, yellow. If none of them are matched up, keep one wrong on your right side and apply this formula. R, U, R, I, U, R, U, U, R, I. Then if two are matched up, keep one facing to you and the other one facing to that side and apply the same formula. Then if this one's correct and this one's correct, apply this formula. R, U, R, I, the same formula. R, U, R, I, U, R, U, U, R, I. Now, you got this. Now, it's time for the quarters. Okay. This should be red, white, green. Red, white, green. Perfect. White, orange, green. Good. Orange, yellow, green. Perfect. White, red, green. Perfect. If one was wrong, put all the ones in your right and apply this formula. U-R-L-I-U-L. Okay. Then if two were correct, put one over here and one over here and apply the same formula. If all of them are correct, just leave it. Now it's time for the easy part. R-I-D-I-R-D. R-I-D-I-R-D. Okay, now put another wrong one here. This is not a wrong one. This is perfect. R-I-D-I-R-D. 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 Okay, now it's like this. Fine. Now put this one in red. Now you fixed your Rubik's Cube.